Hi, in this video I will show you how to change Snapchat names and the emojis. So in this video we will cover two topics: how to change the name of your friend and how to change the emojis. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your Snapchat mobile application. First of all, I will give you a trick how you can change the name. So let's say I want to change the name of my one of friend. Tap a while on it and you will see a screen like this. Go to the more from here, and from here you have to click on the edit name, and from here you can change the name. Like, click on the save. Once it will save, and the name of the friend will be changed. Moreover, go back and you have to click on profile from the left top and go to the settings from here on the right top, and here you have to search for the from here you have to search for the customize emoji. Tap on it, and here you will see super BFF bestie, and you can simply change the emoji of any of the category. Like, I want to change super BFF emoji, so I select this. Now go back and you will see emoji will be changed. So this is the way you can do this. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.